front for a sunset scope. Hopefully we're going to get a sunset tonight. Got some grey clouds over there. Ooh, look at that. That's quite mean and moody, doesn't it? Hey James, how you doing? Hello, hello. You alright? Marky. It is cold. Hey Peter, how you doing? Look at that. Hey Spurs 66. Hey Andy. Hi. Got those big rain clouds. Ooh, it's chilly. They are quite angry skies. It's a lovely colour though, isn't it? Beautiful. Yeah, the Neptune does look warming. It's got lights on. Looks like it has nice beer. Look at that. Imagine, might have a roaring fire as well. I'm going to walk down that way anyway. Hopefully I'll keep a signal. That is quite chilly. It's the hat. Ooh, hold on a second. There we go. That's better. Having a pint, you think? I'll watch where I'm walking as well. Hold on, let me turn it around. Yeah, that's okay, no worries. If you guys want me to scoop it, I will. I think we'll have to go down there to actually see the sunset. The sun's kind of moved around the coast a bit. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I know it's a bit windy. It's annoying when it's like that. Look, I'll do this and then you can... It's not so windy. Have a look at these little houses. Quite cute, aren't they? The window light from the pub. Yeah, it's good in the winter, isn't it? Oh, thank you. That's very kind. There you go. I'll follow you back. It is quite busy. Everybody's out for their Sunday walk after their lunch.
Where actually is that?
Hey Utah. Oh, you sing? Lovely. Oh my god, Astrid, how are you doing? I haven't seen you for a long time on Periscope. It's really good to see you. It's very chilly here at the moment. It's getting colder. I think we're due snow. Oh, the hashtag thing. So have a look at the hearts. There's a fridge and a QR code. And if you screenshot the QR code and scan it, apparently it takes you to a YouTube video, but I don't know what the YouTube video is of. But all that Alex Pettit said was that it wasn't a brand. So, ooh. I know, I almost got run over. by a kid on a push-along bike. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think it will be. It's promoted by Periscope, so it's unlikely to be anything weird. Plum UK, hello. Are you just starting your day? You had a lie-in, did you? I had a lie-in today as well. It took me ages to get up. Which makes a difference now the kids are a little bit older. It's only just a recent thing. We don't have to get up with them at 5:30 anymore, which is nice. Look at that reflection in the puddle. Cool. Hello. Oh, thank you for sharing. Yeah, the reception's a bit intermittent around here. Hello. Gromitum Folly. Oh, couldn't read that one. Sorry, my comments come in on the side, which is very odd. I don't know why, even when I'm landscape. Or when I'm landscape. Okay, no worries. Yes, I'll check out your scopes. Thank you for dropping by. Here's the Neptune pub. Good traditional boozer on the beach. No, I'm not. I'm just scoping the sunset. I should have brought some money out and I could have gone for a pint, shouldn't I? Roast time, have a nice pint. Oh, have a lovely roast dinner. It's pretty, isn't it? Lovely pub. You'll buy, okay? I'll just get them to send you the bill, Astrid. It is, it's really nice. Ask for a tab. Can you see the menu? Okay. Let's see if it's on the door. You're going to make me go in, aren't you? Alright. Here we go. Ooh. Hiya. Just want to have a look at the menu. Are you serving food at the moment? Oh, okay. That's fine. I'm just showing my friends. Yeah. Are you open every day? Open every day. Cool. All right then. Thank you. We'll come back. You made me go in. Did you like that? Oh, it's so warm in there. It's lovely. Hey, Nick. I know. The usual pub fare. It did smell quite good. Look at these houses. These are a pretty penny, these ones. No, well, some of them are holiday homes, Astrid, you're right. But a lot of them are occupied permanently. But they go for about 700,000. What's that in US dollars? Probably, don't know. What's that? A million, maybe? I suppose. Look at that sky. Yeah, really. I can see a bit of sunset over there underneath those dark clouds. I love the blues though. It's amazing, isn't it? Right next to the tennis courts. I should work for the Whitstable Tourist Board, shouldn't I? Show you around. Hopefully we'll get the sky up here. 900,000 American. Okay. Dollars. Let's do this. Whew. There's a storm brewing. I think you're right. Looks like it's raining over Sheppey at the moment. It's amazing colours there. Look at that. Look how deep that blue is. Isn't that stunning? Looks like the horizon, kind of. Any fun Whitstable trivia? How about fun? It's famous for oysters. So the native oyster is the one that people travel from all over. They used to the oysters used to be served at the Ritz. And they used to have special coaches that would go between Whitstable and the Ritz in the Victorian times. They have a mud tug every year on the beach because it's estuary. You don't really get, it's not sand, you kind of get estuary mud. So they have mud tugs down there. What else do they do here? There's an oyster festival every year. They also have the Whitstable giant, which is he's known as Sam, and he's about I don't know, 20 feet tall, and he's on wheels, and they pull him through the town centre. And a lot of the doing festivals and things, and a lot of the local towns have their own giants, which I think is quite cute. Yeah, mud tugs. It's a big long rope with people at either end, usually guys. I think there's some women joining. And yeah, you've got to pull the rope over a certain point. They also have, what else do they have? Well, they have a landing of the oysters every year as well, on a certain date. So it's quite traditional. And it's all based around kind of, you know, making sure that there's a good harvest the next year, etc. But the native oysters are different to the Atlantic oysters. They're not as big. They're supposed to be they're supposed to be tastier. No, I don't have a dog. We've got cats because we work full time. We can't have dogs, unfortunately. I've got a cat that thinks he's a dog. Hello, hello. First time in My Scope Live. Shannon, hello. Where are you? Huntington Beach, girl. Where's Huntington Beach? Where is that? Is that in America? Oh, lovely. Oh, thanks, Astrid. That's really sweet. California. Oh, I'd love to be in California right now. You've had rain recently, though, haven't you? Is that right? By the beach. Yeah, it's not like this. This is very cold. Look, my fingers have gone red. Yeah, I think it was Mark Kalasi was saying it was absolutely tipping down. Nobody has umbrellas. Surf capital, yeah. What, California? Oh, lovely. I'll get there one day. Cali's nice. Do you like it? Do you like living there? We're trying to catch the sunset. There's these big moody clouds, look. It's like a storm. So you've had some of our rain recently, which is good. No rain shoes or raincoats, yeah. But it was proper. Well, he was sat in his car in a parking lot and he had to go to the gym and it was absolutely bouncing off the pavements. It was amazing. And they've been wanting rain for such a long time, haven't they? Whew. It's quite chilly, guys, so I don't know how long I'm going to stay out here. You don't own an umbrella? Oh, I'm so jealous. Do you know why I don't own an umbrella? Because it's too windy. When it rains, which is a lot of the time, also the umbrella gets blown inside out. Oh, that's amazing. Huntington Beach hosts famous worldwide surf contests. Do you scope them? I would like to see that. Astrid would like to see that too. I love surfing, it looks cool. I've never been, but it looks really good. The surfing around here, actually, around the coast, is a quite a famous place they surf called Joss Bay. So we do have a fair amount of surfing here. Nothing like you're in Frinton at the moment, it's freezing. Oh. Yes, it's cold here.